So you've recently gotten your hands on a PS5 Slim and are looking to transfer data from a PS4 or maybe even another PS5? It's easier than 100%ing the first level in Astrobot. Let's get started. Hey everyone, I'm Trisha Hirschberger, and today we're discussing file transfers for your new PS5 Slim. The PlayStation 5 Slim is largely the same as the standard PS5, except out-of-the-box storage is 1 terabyte as opposed to standard 825 gigabytes. Despite its slimmer physique, it allows you to add M.2 SSDs, just on the standard model, in up to 8 terabyte capacities, meaning that the Slim actually allows for a total of 9 terabytes of internal storage. That's awesome. Kratos, Aloy, Spidey, and Tifa are all invited to the party. The Kingston Fury Renegade PCIe 4.0 NVMe M.2 SSD is well suited for this task, with its heatsink and high-speed data transfer rate up to 7,300 megabyte per second read and 7,000 megabyte per second write. The installation process is super simple, but that's a video for another time. See link in the description. Transferring data from a PS4 to PS5 Slim is the same process as for the standard PS5. No additional steps or complexity involved. First, sign into your account on both consoles. Second, update both consoles, the source console and the destination console. Third, connect your PS4 and PS5 Slim to the same network, either by Wi-Fi or with LAN cables. Now for the actual transfer. Ensure your PS5 Slim is on, and from the home screen, select Settings, then System Software. Select Data Transfer, then Continue, then follow the instructions on screen. That's it. The PS5 Slim will automatically restart during data transfer, and it can be used immediately once it has restarted. Game data and other data may still be transferring during this period. Games that are ready to play will be visible as thumbnails on the Games tab. If you want to check the data transfer's progress, you can do so by going to the Control Center and selecting Downloads/Uploads. One warning though, be sure not to turn off either console, change your network settings, or run internet connection tests during data transfer. Otherwise, you might damage or lose data. Happy PS5 gaming, and I'll see you next time with more DIY in 5.